question 24 did something very sneaky. In that first sentence, it says that authors who write in order to give pleasure cannot impart truth. And then we conclude that if a book is popular, it can't be truthful. But it's one thing to say an author who is trying to provide pleasure can't give proof. It is another thing entirely to say readers who feel pleasure can't derive truth. And we just did a little switcheroo in there. We assumed that the only possible way a reader could derive pleasure is if the author intended to give pleasure. Because at that point, you've got an argument. If we say, if an author tries to give pleasure, then the author cannot impart truth. And the missing link, and the only way for people to feel pleasure about a book is if the author intended to put it there. In which case, if a book is very popular, there must be no truth in it. And that middle piece we left out, and that is what D is providing. A book can't give pleasure unless it was intended by its authors to have that effect. It is something that the argument needs in order to work, and yet the argument left it out.